working. He's fast. Need to find an opening. What if I try my new Venom special?
This is the only way!
Maybe my new Venom powers can get past that. Do you feel any regret for what you've done?
Whatever I did to you in the past, it's never been personal.
I'm sure to you it wasn't.
What do you want? An apology?
I want you to feel even half the pain you caused me.
You are stronger than you appear, little one. But do not underestimate your enemy.
Enough of this!
Do not let your prey get too close, Spider. Well done. Yes! Finally, a worthy battle!
Sorry, kid. Back off!
Well done! Yes! There it is! Do not let your prey get too close, Spider! Well done!
Come on, just need an opening. That negative energy will mess me up.
Watch him carefully, Spider! He will take what is yours. Where is your beast?
No more negative energy. My powers are back.
There! Now, show us your full strength! I don't want to have to kill you!
Wow, maybe you have changed.
Back off! Sorry, kid.
No. That negative energy will mess me up.
Watch him carefully, Spider. He will take what is yours.
No more negative energy. My powers are back.
enough of this!
This is gonna be the last time you hurt anybody!
You're a cliche! At least the other spider has a man behind the mask!
You don't know anything about me! Come on, just need an opening. Maybe my new venom powers can get past that.
Let's do this my way.
Where are you? No way.
This is you.
I need to keep my head in the game. I'm not really here right now. None of this is real.
What's more real than fear?
What are you doing to me?
Taking a look into your soul, I see a boy terrified of being alone, of failing his family.
Keep talking! You're not getting away from me! You can't hurt me!
Everyone has a breaking point. Even Spider-Man. It's just a matter of finding it. And I have all the time in the world to dig into you.
Get out of my head, man!
Out of your head. But there's so much to see in here. So much dread. So much pain. So much doubt.
I'm not listening!
You're strong. But no one is stronger than themselves.
Enough, Lee! Where is he?
Miles,
He?
you don't get it. I mean, I tried. I tried to teach you, to make you into a hero. I knew you'd always be second best, but... all you've ever done is let people down. Put people in danger. That's not Spider-Man. Spider-Man helps people. You just hurt them.
It's not true.
Hey, whoa, don't shoot the messenger here. It's not even me you're letting down. It's your dad.
Oh!
So, your name is Miles. Who are you really, Miles?
Get down here, Lee!
Let's dig deeper.
Just fight me, man! You wanna end this? Let's fight!
What the hell, Miles?
I know this is you, Lee!
Yeah, of course it is. I'm always here for you. I do everything for you.
I'm not listening!
Yeah, I'm not surprised you'd say that. Because all that matters is you, right? All you do is take. You put me in danger. You put Haley in danger. And for what? What do we get?
I know I'm...
Left behind. That's all we get. Until we end up like Finn.
Kinky! Kinky!
I know I said it wasn't your fault, but... I guess I just mostly felt bad for you. Didn't want you to feel responsible. Especially after... Especially after your...
Shut up!
This ends when you wanted to, Miles. You're going to let me in eventually. And until then, Struggle.
Mijo. Mijo, where are you?
No. I'm here, Mom.
I can't do this anymore, Miles. You're always gone. Always in danger.
No,
You're going to get yourself killed.
won't.
And then what? You can't win, Miles. I should never have let you try. All it's ever done is make me more alone. Put me in more danger.
No, I want to protect you. I will.
Heard that before.
Mean it.
Not from you. On the day he died,
Mom.
your father told me, just that morning, that everything he does...
No. No, no, no.
Miles, please. I love you.
It's enough, Lee.
Miles.
I said that's enough.
You're right. That's more than enough. I have everything I need.
Stop.
Hey there, big man. Man, it feels good to see you. Lots changed since I left. You became a whole hero.
But I couldn't save you. Or Finn. If Spider-Man can't protect everyone, who will?
Come on now. You're more than just Spider-Man. You can try and hide behind that mask, but I know who you are. And what you stand for. I've been watching you,
You have?
and it hurts. What happened to the boy that I raised? You're a coward. A stain on our family.
You don't mean that.
I do. We all do. You're a failure, Miles. Always will be.
No, you never say that. None of you would. I'm not.
It's time to give up. Give up, Miles.
No. Give up! I won't.
Give up. Give up.
Give up.
You're done, Lee. I'm not doing this anymore. You wanna know who I am? I'm the kid whose dad you killed at City Hall.
What?
He died because you decided your problems were more important than all of those people's lives. Jefferson Davis was a hero who saved people from you.
Miles.
No. I'm done listening to you. Losing my dad? It's not what's holding me back. I was the one doing that. But not anymore.
Do it. Please.
When you're out, find Spider-Man.
Do not let them escape!
Hey, got a report that Mr. Negative's near Feast in Chinatown. But nothing from Miles. You think?
Miles is fine. We're out looking for him now. Find Lee. Miles has to be there too. Has to be.
I'll go check it out. If he so much as laid a hand on Miles!
Hello? It's Dr. Connors. Sorry, I asked Harry for your number. Please, come back to the lab. We need to remove the symbiote. The hold that it's already taking on your mind, it's only going to get worse.
I'm busy. No one listens.
I left the best parts of me here. I'm not looking for a fight. Craven has the other Spider-Man trapped in an old mansion east of the city. He saved me. Told me to find you. This was the only way I knew how. I owe him my life. And much more. If we hurry...
No. You've done enough.
You should be proud of him. He reminds me of you.
Reminds him of me. He doesn't even know me. Or Miles. A little bit of help now, all of a sudden he's a good guy. As soon as Miles is safe, Lee's going back in a cell. Not now, MJ. Is Spider-Man doing more harm than good? How about now? Now who needs the old Spider-Man? What's so great about the new Spider-Man anyway? He can't even stop some hunters. They destroyed the EMF. Destroyed my life. I'm going to lose May's house because of them and... Craven.
Kill Craven.
I wonder if the little spider will survive.
Where is he? Where is Spider-Man? Stand yourself! Targeting my sight! Stay focused! Tell me where he is! Tell me!
Get your payback!
Where is Spider-Man?
I'm assured that material is unbreakable. But I believe anything can be broken. You still hold back. Maybe you lack motivation.
Now you're in for it.
Yes. There you are. Let us make this a glorious ending! You destroyed my city! Took the lives of so many people! That was their fate. Just as this is ours. Do not hold back! My. Mines? Observe it. Your followers treat you like some kind of god. But you're just a dying old man, looking for a way out. So you know then. Then you know I will not die in a sick bed. Only an equal may taste my last breath. Rip me apart and parade your achievement to the streets. So, you were not one. You destroyed my city! Took the lives of so many people! That was their fate. Just as this is ours. Am I too quick for you? Show me what you are capable of! Stop hiding! I'll show you what I can do! Your followers treat you like some kind of god! But you're just a dying old man, looking for a way out! So you know then? Then you know I will not die in a sick bed! Only an equal may taste my last breath! Rip me apart and parade your achievement to the streets! Need more distance! Gorgeous. I hope you're enjoying this. Tonight won't end well for you. I study all of my prey. You are agile, intelligent, vulnerable to emotion. Wasn't you after all? Let us make this a glorious ending! You destroyed my city! Took the lives of so many people! That was their fate, just as this is ours! treat you like some kind of god! But you're just a dying old man, looking for a way out! So you know then. And you know, I will not die in a sick bed! Only an equal may taste my last breath! Rip me apart, and parade your achievement to the streets! I hope you're enjoying this. Tonight won't end well for you. I study all of my prey. You are agile, intelligent, vulnerable to emotion. So am I. Do not let the taste of power get to your head. You can't run from me! Why do you hide your strength from me? You call me a dying old man, and yet... You call me a dying old man, and yet... Here... No! Why do you hide your strength from me? You call me a dying old man, and yet here I breathe. Shut up. That sound, I can't. You call me a dying old man, and yet here I breathe. Shut up. Come, crush my bones into powder. Leave my body for the maggots and the field mice! Shut up! Do not let the sound stop you! Fight it! Kill. 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 Rip him apart. I'll tear you limb from limb. Do it, or I will gut you and mount you on my wall. Kill me, and the ringing stops. Attack my beasts. Couldn't fight me yourself. You can't run from me! a predator capable of defeating me. Enough talking! And then I found you. And you'll regret that! No, I won't. I will not let God decide my fate! Can't use my suit's abilities! But you still hold back. Kill or be killed. Stop! No.
Sorry about that. I just... It's just me. You almost killed him, man! What are you doing?
You're in the way, Miles!
Always in the way.
I could have fixed everything!
How? By strangling him? That's not what we do!
Try to mentor me! You're the one running away from your problems! You're the one hell-bent on revenge!
Revenge? All I wanted was to protect my family! Protect you!
You're not better than me!
I'm not saying that! You're stronger than some soup, Pete! Don't listen to it!
And what? Listen to you?
Yes! Listen to me! What are you so afraid of?
I need this suit. It makes me a better Spider-Man. You just want it for yourself.
All I want is to save you!
I'm the hero. I don't get sick. Why are you doing this? I made you. You owe me.
I know you don't mean that!
All I wanted was to save everyone. And made you. You owe me.
I know you don't mean that!
All I wanted was to save everyone. MJ, May. Now the city thinks that I'm the problem.
You think I'm the problem?
But I'm not anymore.
I am the solution.
everything everyone needs me to be.
Yeah? You don't even answer my calls anymore, man. And what about MJ? You could have killed her. I know you're hurting, Pete, but you're better than this.
I know, but... No.
People in my life, they keep dying. I blame myself for that. They needed a hero, and if I thought some Sue could save them, maybe I'd be in your shoes now. But this kind of power is the reason they're gone. Not... They keep dying. I blame myself for that. They needed a hero, and if I thought some Sue could save them, maybe I'd be in your... Some Sue could save them, maybe I'd be in your shoes now. But this kind of power is the reason they're gone. Not you, not me. Shut up! Stronger than that. This time, you have to save yourself.
I can't!
You will. I'm not losing you, Pete. Maybe some venom will do the trick. Pete, come on, man. Just focus on me. Come on! You're stronger than this. You hear me?
Come on, let's move. These last few days... Miles, I'm sorry. Thank you for everything.
This was Spider-Man do?
Spider-Man didn't save me back there. Miles did.
What now?
I have to talk to Dr. Connors. He said he knows how to destroy it.
Wait, what about Harry? Doesn't he kind of need it?
His dad is working on another cure. One that doesn't involve aliens.
You know, if you need me, I'm just a call away. Well, once I let my mom know this, she still has a son.
I know.
Just glad to have you back, man.
Spider sense is giving him an edge. Need a plan B.
Dr. Connors, I got the suit off. It's contained, but what do I do now?
Bring it to Oscorp Tower. There's a tank there that will subdue it. I have to prep a few things first, but I'll let you know when I'm on my way. One thing before we meet. Now that the symbiote is off of you, how are you feeling?
Fine. Relieved that it's over. Ashamed at what I did.
It's not your fault. There's still so much we don't know. Just tell me right away if you feel any changes in mood, behavior.
But it's off me. I'm cured, right?
Very likely. Yes. Just do your best to keep that thing contained.
Copy that. Okay. I've been ignoring the city for too long. Craven's drones are still hunting people. Gotta track them down.